Hello everyone, welcome to Josh Max channel. In this video, we are going to see CBSE Board Grade 12 Standard Maths chapter number 5 Continuity and Differentiability. In the last videos, I have been uploaded the solution of example 1 to example 17 with detailed explanation. In this video, we are going to see the solution of example 18. So given question C, prove that the function defined by f of x equal to tan x is a continuous function. So here they are asking us to prove tan x function is a continuous function. So given function we will write it. So given f of x is what? Tan function, tan x. So tan x function, how we can rewrite? We can rewrite in the form of sin x by cos x. So already in example 17, we proved that sine function is a continuous. We already proved sine function is a continuous function. Okay, the numerator function is continuous. Similarly, we can also prove cos function also continuous. If two continuous functions, if it is in the form of p by q, still it's continuous only, right? So in algebra of a continuous function, we have seen four basic properties. If any two continuous function, when we add, suppose if f of x also continuous function, g of x also continuous function. If two continuous function, when we add it, the result is also continuous only. Same way, even when we subtract, the result is continuous only. Even if you multiply both together, the product of two, this one continuous, the product of two continuous function also continuous. Same way, division of two continuous function, f of x by g of x also continuous. If we write g of x by f of x also, it's continuous only. So here we know that sine function is continuous, cos function also continuous. When two continuous functions, if it is in the form of division, p by q, okay, numerator and denominator, two continuous functions, if it is placed, still the function is continuous only. Yes, so we know that sine function is continuous, cos function is continuous. So as per the algebra of a continuous function, the f of x is also continuous, that is tan x also continuous function only. We know that sine function, sine and cos, both will write it together. Sine and cos, sin x and cos x are continuous functions, and also algebra of continuous function, algebra of continuous function says that if two continuous function, if it is in the form of f by g, still function is continuous. So tan x is continuous function. So given tan x is continuous function wherever it's defined, because here denominator cos x is never equal to 0, right, as per the condition. So we will write, so given tan x is continuous function wherever it is defined, continuous in its domain or wherever it is defined, So that's all the solution of this example 18. If it is in 2 mark, 3 mark, this solution is enough. In case if the question, if they are asking in a 5 mark question, then sine function, how it's continuous. So that solution also you have to write it. And cos function, how we are saying it's continuous, that solution also we need to write. So sine function, how it is continuous, that solution I have uploaded in the example 17, the previous video. Similarly, we can also work out and show it how cos function is continuous. Okay, so thanks for watching and please do subscribe.